Okay, Algebra 2, this is matrices using all operations. The only trick to today's is really looking and making sure you know what the problem wants you to do. Don't multiply if they don't have a multiplication symbol, okay? So looking at the first one, the first thing you're going to have to do is distribute your 4 and distribute your -2. So this becomes 8, 0, 4, and 20. If you distribute a negative with that 2, it's going to become a plus, -2, -12, -6, and -8. So now you've got one more step. You have to combine or add your corresponding elements. So 8 plus -2 is 6, 0 plus -12 is -12, 4 plus -6 is -2, and 20 plus -8 is 12. So 6, -12, 2, 12. 6, -12, -2, 12 is your answer. This one actually wants you to multiply, so you start by looking at your dimensions. Remember, it's rows before columns. Think of RC Cola. So we have a 2 by 2. We have a 1 by 2. There's 1 row, 2 columns. Look at your inside numbers. They are not the same, so you can't multiply that, and you're done. You cannot do it. This one wants you to multiply as well, so we start by looking at our dimensions. We have a 2 by 2, and we have a 2 by 1. You look at the inside number, it's the same, so yes, we can do this. Look at the outside numbers to get the dimensions of the answer. It's going to be a 2 by 1. So we have 2 rows, 1 column. So take row 1 times column 1, and that would be 1 times 4 plus -3 times 3. Then take row 2 times column 1, so that would be 2 times 4 plus 5 times 3. So this is going to be 4 minus 9, which is -5. And this is going to be 8 plus 15, which is 23. So your answer is -5, 23. This one is multiplication. We have a 2 by 2, and we have a 2 by 2. Yes, you can do it, and your answer is going to be a 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. So 1 times 2 plus 5 times 3. 1 times 8 plus 5 times 4. -1 times 2 plus 4 times 3. -1 times 8 plus 4 times 4. So you're going to have 2 plus 15 is 17. 8 plus 20 is 28. -2 plus 12 is 10. And -8 plus 16 is 8. So for this next one, we have a 3 by 2. We have a 2 by 1. Yes, you can do this one. It's going to be a 3 by 1. 3 rows, 1 column. 2 times 6 plus 4 times 1. 6 times 6 plus 5 times 1. 1 times 6 plus 4 times 1. So you have a 12 plus 4 is 16. 36 plus 5 is 41. And 6 plus 4 is 10. 3 by 1. You have a 1 by 2, and you have a 2 by 1. It works. It's going to be a 1 by 1, which means you're going to have one number. 1 times 6 plus 4 times 3. 6 plus 12 is 18. Make sure and put brackets around it. It is a matrix still. Last one on this page, you have a 2 by 2. You have a 2 by 3. Yes, you can do it. Your answer will be a 2 by 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. So 2 times 3 plus -2 times 1. 2 times 0 plus -2 times 4. 2 times 2 plus -2 times -1. 1 times 3 plus 0 times 1. 1 times 0 plus 0 times 4. 1 times 2 plus 0 times -1. So I'm going to change colors so you can find my answer over here. 2 times 3 is 6, minus 2 is 4. 0 minus 8 is negative 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. And on the bottom, you're going to say 3 plus 0 is 3. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 2 plus 0 is 2. So your answer is 4, negative 8, 6, 3, 0, 2. Real quick, I'm thinking, did I miss some page problems on the first page? And let's look at that. Nope, I didn't. We're all good. So this takes you to your assignment. It was just kind of a refresher. The key here is look at what it wants you to do. Are you multiplying, or are you going to distribute, add, and subtract?